Hi, my name is William Howard. I've been with Excel for about 6 months and I'm a first year apprentice. Before electrical contracting, I did mostly food service, everything from fine dining to nightclubs to bakeries. The reason why I decided to leave is you're working when everyone else is playing. Uh, you're always go all the time. You never stop, especially in food service. I really wanted a career that not just necessarily a job, but somewhere I could grow with, somewhere that I could actually set my roots down. Electrical and construction field is something that was definitely out of my comfort zone before starting. When I was growing up, I loved puzzles. I loved Legos. Every little kid loves to play outside, do all the normal kid stuff, including sports. And I always thought that was something I wanted to do. Once I got into the field, I really realized this is right what I like to do. I like building stuff. I like working with my hands. I like being outside. I like the teamwork of working with other people. As a first year apprentice, your role is going to be helping however you can. And the good news with that too is that the more you learn, the more you're able to help, the more you're able to grow. So you can do everything from as complicated as pipe bending to lighting control, to looking at the prints and the legends and learning about that side of the field, to taking out the trash and sweeping up the floors and making sure that the job site's looking prim and proper, and making sure that you're setting into that role, whatever that is. Being able to support your team. Even if you are a first year, we all have a role to play. The program that I'm in right now is about 50-50 school to work. We have a class one night a week for 4 hours. You go in there, you're studying a lot of your code, a lot of your more textbooks, and then when you're in the field, you're learning a lot more of your hands-on, working with your hands, using all of the tools and equipment needed to be an official electrician. I am currently working on a hospital up on the east side of Atlanta right now. It's awesome. I love where I work. I love the team I work with. I grew up playing sports, and being able to have a team that I can grow with and again, have a great time at work. When you're working on a job site, there's no telling what you're gonna see. You're gonna have some days that's well over 100 degrees, and you're gonna have other days when you're working outside, it's in the teens. You just gotta be prepared. Your company that you're gonna be with, especially with Excel, is going to be able to set you up for success, to give you the proper tools and PPE to make you thrive. But you have to be ready, because there's gonna be a lot of extreme conditions out there for you to be able to work in. One of my favorite things about working with Excel is the leadership team that's above me. They truly care about me on a personal level. I've worked for a bunch of jobs where I've come in and they've taught me the bare minimum just to kind of see if I was going to survive. And then if I ever got good at what I was doing, I almost got handcuffed into being what I was in, that role that I was in. And Excel is completely different. The supervision team that I have now will truly do anything for me to set me up. If I have questions, they might not be able to answer them right now in that moment, but they'll always circle back with me, and they'll always set me up to succeed. And that's one thing that I always look for in my next career, was somewhere that I really could grow and ask the questions and get better, so I can therefore answer the questions to the next generation coming below. My future goals is to keep growing with Excel. I come from a management background, so I'd love to get back into supervision. I love leading. I would like to go the foreman and superintendent route, but their options are limitless. You can truly go into estimating and walking into a new building and pricing it out, or you can go on more the computer side and be able to actually draw up these new buildings and these beautiful works of art that people have never seen before. So truly, your options are limitless. In order for you to find out, you got to get your boots in the ground, you got to learn, and you got to work. But the sky is just the limit for you and your success.